Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer ownership of Canva files to another user. Whether we're collaborating with a team or managing a project, this ensures the right person has full control over the design. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we will go to the Settings. You can find settings in the lower left part of the Canva dashboard. Here, we can see our profile. We just need to click on it. Once we're here, we will see the Settings menu. After we click Settings, we will be taken to this page. To transfer ownership, we need to click on People Management. Under that, we will see People. Go ahead and click that option. Now, we will create a team first, so we can transfer ownership once we have added people. Before we add anyone, make sure we already have a Pro plan or are a premium user. This is because once we add a new user and click Start My Team, we will be asked to have an active plan. Once we have a plan and have added the account, all we need to do is click the drop-down and select Team Owner. And that's how we transfer ownership of Canva files in just a few simple steps.